Mocha Super App in multinational market. Mocha is a super app that meets many users' needs of communication and entertainment. With the integration of features such as videos, movies, music, news, games, money transfer, etc. Viettel has distributed Mocha Super App to the markets which Viettel invested in, under the name of Mocha in Vietnam and Cambodia, MyID in Myanmar, Mocha Plus in Laos, and continuing to expand. Combining typical OTT and core values of the operator, voice, SMS, call, cell care, and the specific features and content, Mocha is becoming the core application of Viettel's telecommunications networks in other countries to reach out, interact regularly with customers, and create new business opportunities. That value is based on the difference of Mocha, the multi-benefit super app, compared to typical OTT apps that only have contacts and social networks. In Vietnam, monthly regular users of Mocha are 11 million. It is expected to reach 14 million by the end of 2020, an increase of 34% compared to 2019. Annual revenue is nearly 200 billion Vietnam dong. In Myanmar, Mocha, under the name of MyID, is the communication and customer service channel which provides many exclusive entertainment content of Mytel, the second largest telecom network of Myanmar. Just over a year after its launch, by September 2020, MyID has reached 5.7 million installations with 2.6 million regular users. Viettel has set the goal: each Myanmar citizen will have one MyID account. Mocha in Cambodia and Mocha Plus in Laos, in the early stages of development, are digital content social networks provided by the operator with many benefits on telecommunications and content. As of September 2020, Mocha in Cambodia had 500,000 installations. Mocha Plus in Laos had nearly 300,000 installations. Users can use Mocha on website platforms, and applications for PC and smartphone. Super App Mocha's functions. Communication group. Mocha has a complete set of OTT features that allows users to use chat group, call, video call, while enhancing users' experience by integrating telecommunication elements. SMS out integrated into Messenger chat, enabling the conversation of online Mocha messages into SMS offline messages so they reach the receiver even when they are offline or do not have Mocha Super App installed in their phone. With this feature, Mocha users can chat with any Viettel's 60 million mobile customers, even if they use feature phone. Call out integrated into call, enabling Mocha user to make phone call to accounts that in telecommunication network, closing the gap between smartphone and feature phone, between online and offline. Especially call out roaming allows users to use Mocha to make phone call to anyone in Viettel's domestic telecommunication network while being overseas. Chat group video call sticker with superior add-ons such as bigger group sign, stickers with sound and animation, call enabling feature for friend making. Entertainment group, movies, music, video, and video upload comics. Mocha users are given the chance to enjoy the integrated Kang.vn's vast database of movies and music, more than 10,000 hours of Hollywood mega movies and high-rating television shows going on air at the same time with China, South Korea, Thailand, all with copyrights, over 1 million songs. Especially, the Mocha video feature allows Mocha users to upload video clips and get paid for the views they get. After more than 1 year, close to 2 million videos have been uploaded, with 6,000 videos added each day. Apart from that, users can read comics and play mini-games provided on Mocha app by our partners. Fintech Group. Mocha integrates ViettelPay e-wallet. Mocha users can make fund transfers between each other while chatting with ViettelPay fund transfer feature integrated in Mocha's conversation box. Self-care group of features. Mocha integrates My Viettel app, allowing users to top up their account or buying data package right within Mocha. Mocha is connected to the telecommunication system, allowing customers to know how much they have saved on their phone bill by using Mocha. Mocha provides an automatic customer appreciation program based on accumulated points. Users who go online frequently or use Mocha's important features are rewarded with points, which can be exchanged for scratch cards, game rounds, or other gifts. How satisfied with Mocha? In Vietnam and Cambodia, Mocha is voted 4.1 out of 5 stars by 177,403 user reviews, in which about 65% voted 5 stars. In Myanmar, MyID is voted 4.5 out of 5 stars by total 59,530 user reviews, in which about 80% voted 5 stars. Mocha Plus app in Laos is voted 4.2 out of 5 stars by nearly 3 user reviews on Google Store Laos. Most users appreciate that Mocha has everything they need on a smartphone. Awards and honor. Gold winner of annual 2017 IT World Awards as the best mobile app development solutions. Bronze winner of annual 2020 IBA Stevie Award at category Best Telecommunications Product. A winners of Vietnam Digital Transformation Award 2020.